Real live rap shit going down. Making of the fine print. Join us. Take a walk with me. Going into the studio. You already know how we do. Rule number one, when you know you're going to be somewhere for a long time, you must bring the proper refreshments. This week's refreshments we sponsored by Stripe. Little Remy in the cup. Little herbal essences. You know. Shouts out to the ENT fam. It's your boy GML, the general manager in the building. Shouts out to my nigga Sinister, business partner, producer extraordinaire, aka the head coach. You know, shouts out to Don Borsellini, aka the franchise player. He's about to get me, you know. Shouts out to my little cuz KC, you know, representing his shit Ultra Team. You dig? Doing it. Go City, get money. To all the rest of you little young ass niggas talking about all you old cats step aside. Nah, I ain't gonna step aside. But I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm just finna go in this booth and whoop y'all ass this summer. That's what I'm gonna do. Again. That's what's up. You know? That our floor.
Hustler ENT be the squad, man. We don't trick, fam, but we charge, man. And we don't talk little money, talk large, fam. Now go hard and get large, man. Go hard and get large, fam. Now go hard and get large, man. And remember, don't trick, just charge, fam. I stay laid out, I'm never played out. Shorty told me that she's up for grabs like a fade route. So I'm posted up with her like a stakeout. Let's shake these haters like a running back fake out. Spice up the menu, hit up the next venue. These little boys broke, mommy, this what men do. You gotta trust that my thoughts are continental. How exactly do I do it? Well, that's confidential. Don't make the wrong move, it's consequential. Get the money, then the chick is sequential. I just fall through the space that I fit through. I talk about what I do, not what I've been through. Hit up a licky, then I split it 50-50 with them niggas I brought with me. Then we go and blaze the sticky. Then I retire to massages with them girls that's sticky. I'm trying to manage a menage, all I need is get it in, man. We go hard, fam. Hustler ENT be the squad, man. We don't trick, fam, but we charge, man. And we don't talk little money, talk large, fam. Now go hard and get large, man. Go hard and get large, fam. Now go hard and get large, man. And remember, don't trick, just charge, fam. Yeah, I stay connected like broadband. To so many chicks, I could start a broadband. She's all good with the wood, log jam. Check out the live broadcast on my broadcam. Call me the king of the jungle, Tarzan. Cause I can quench all they thirst like a tall can. Now back to the green, I'm a farm stand. You ain't talking money till your pocket change all grants. And them chickens that were hating, now they all fans. And them niggas that were hating, now they all fam. Y'all niggas know the program. This ain't developmental league, I push programs. Y'all was taught I'm default, pre-programmed. I can eyeball the tailweight because I know grams. Connoisseur of the kush, I blow grams. I keep connects from the weed to the blow grams. We get it in, man, we go hard, fam. Hustler ENT be the squad, man. We don't trick, fam, but we charge, man. And we don't talk little money, talk large, fam. Now go hard and get large, man. Go large, man. And remember, don't trick, just charge, fam.